Welcome back. Now, when we start the email authentication process within our service provider, there are specific instructions that we need to follow with respect to where our domain is going to be placed. Again, wherever your email service provider is going to be, those instructions will be specific, and you'll also have specific instructions within that email service provider for a specific domain provider. What we're going to be required to do is to go into our domain settings and to manage our DNS settings. We're going to be required to add two CNAME records inside of our domain provider. Now, what you're then required to do is to allow MailChimp to check the records. Some cases this will happen instantaneously, in other cases it will take time. We're going to click the check status button, and the record has now been verified. And what MailChimp says is that our domain has been authenticated within the system so that our emails will have a better chance to flow into our customer's inbox. You will find search results for DKIM records and Aweber if you use Aweber. You'll see that Constant Contact has its own system. ActiveCampaign has its own system. And so basically what you will want to do is you will want to go to the search engine or to the help area of your particular email service provider, and you're going to want to determine the SPF DKIM process and go through it to the letter. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.